In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Acuity, a straightforward process that takes no more than 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your brand or correcting a typo, adjusting your name on Acuity can help ensure your scheduling page reflects accurately who you are or what your business represents. So, let's dive right in. First things first, your journey begins by navigating to the Acuity Scheduling homepage. Acuity Scheduling is a powerful tool that helps manage appointments, but for it to serve you best, it's essential that all your information is up to date, starting with your business name. Once you're on the Acuity Scheduling website, you will notice a login button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. This is your first step toward making that all-important name change. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find navigating through these initial stages quite straightforward. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you use to set up your Acuity scheduling account. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors that could delay the process. Following your email entry, you'll be directed to click Next to proceed. This step is crucial as it takes you closer to the authentication stage, laying the groundwork for the secure changes you're about to make. Once you've clicked Next, you'll see an option that allows you to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account. It simplifies the login process by allowing you to log in with your Google credentials, ensuring a smoother and faster access to your Acuity account. Select your Google account if prompted. This step is all about security and ensuring that only the rightful owner has access to make changes to the account. Picking the correct Google account will guide you through a seamless entry into your Acuity settings. Now you're in and ready to navigate to the settings where the magic happens. Acuity's interface is designed with user experience in mind, making it relatively easy to find what you're looking for. You'll want to head over to your scheduling page. This is where you can manage the specifics of your scheduling preferences, including, you guessed it, your business name. Once on your scheduling page, look for the Appearance option. This section allows you to customize how your scheduling page appears to clients, including fonts, colors, and importantly, your business name. The aim here is to create a seamless and branded experience for everyone who books an appointment with you. In the Appearance section, you'll find the option to change your business name. This is your moment to update or correct your name as needed. Take a moment here to ensure you're absolutely satisfied with the new name. Bearing in mind, this is how your clients will identify you or your business moving forward. After you've entered the new name, don't rush off just yet. Look for the Save Changes button. It's critical to save the adjustments you've made, or all your efforts will be in vain. Click Save Changes to lock in your new business name, and voila, you're done. And there you have it, a simple and quick guide on how to change your name on Acuity. From starting at the login page to saving your new business name, each step is designed to ensure you can make the changes efficiently and securely. Remember, keeping your business information up to date on platforms like Acuity not only helps in maintaining a professional appearance, but also guarantees a smooth experience for your clients. So take these new learnings, go ahead and refresh your Acuity account with the name that best represents you or your business. And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your online tools and services. Thanks for watching.